A very good morning, viewers. Me and my team is here at the Ngorlung Village playground to show you the glimpse of the inaugural ceremony of late Amalubang and late Otung Lubang Memorial Atargadu Cricket Tournament 2025, sponsored by Sri Opang Jamo and family. Well, viewers, stay connected with me and I'll interact with the organizing team here. And not to miss out, the chief guest, Sri Ninong Iring Sir, and the guest of honor, Dr. Dimong Padung, the state nodal officer, will be arriving here anytime soon. So stay tuned with me and we'll share you the footages of today's overall event.
Solo, Uluga, Libangarang family dan loga, Siloka, first ever late Ama Libang and late Otong Libang Binguluga Ananya, Libang family loka, Bundul Takam Kindung Bunik, memory loga, Silo first ever Torgudu, cricket tournament Mibola, si apa grupa ngo Uluga All Easter, Umengo apa grupa Koitum. Uluga unity and smooth conduction of this tournament. I really appreciate from entire family of this sponsor team. The local Silok Upper Group him inauguration program law Abina Uluga Honorable MLA Ninong Iring Sir 37 Passagat West Chief Guest then Uluga Guest of Honor Abina Dr. Dimong Padung Sir Nodal Officer NHM Government of Arunachal Pradesh the local all GVs youth leaders, senior leaders, and all the participants, the local well-wisher, takam mo apa grupo mo ito. Kasi sponsor him, nulung mo ito pa ngo itong opang jamo itong mga, opang jamo imang ngulo enter Libang family, loge ngulo magpo, ngoge berbo gidar, ngoge yingna gidar, the local ngulo Libang family, mam bunyi kami long ibitin amo kamla, apa grupo, the local ngo participant na team takam kom best wishes video on behalf of this Libang family and organization side logo takam aiba keli langkam la sport hi aropakom discipline game cricket ipang ina takam ngo best wishes bidung momdala solo itu thank you
hello dina kina me kadung mulu vaccine bila amedwan ai beji nigla ikan nigla nglamulu ludung. Deme gomene free log bidung time lo ngulu stop kidare bigola asa kidare bigola do bidung nolum. Dekena polo lo yana deme nigie delok kidekela alang ko kadeka moegolu bidung. Dehim atau ngulu air pe palon milo time lo ala beji kidare timonam kidare ila imilo na ngulu ilo ke dagion na cricket ipena dagion na kidare him kom redon yanem ko ngulu bojego dolunga oye ada yanem oye redon yanem oye cricket itu mang football em kom dom belok air 6 feet nem bojego ngulu pae ngulu taka medik kuri team dagion dun taka mem all the best good luck in my all the best heko di iji adun bejiki langka malam palam
इतना मनोलम आयुर्पा विदो सबको हम बेस्ट विशेष ही देगा और डॉक्टर दिमाग आपको भी बहुत मैं शुक्रगुजारिश हूँ क्योंकि इस मौका का आपने फायदा उठाया है और ये जो आपका कैंपेन शुरू हुआ है जस्ट हाल ही में जो हमारा मीजल्स और रूबेला का एक अच्छा चीज एक अच्छा मैसेज है हिम नॉलेज एनी गेम्स एनी स्पोर्ट्स मतलब ये ngolo pa couple small pox हम इरेडिकेट करो पर कहाँ किस एकदम गुफा में या कोई इनको आई पक को है तो मेरे कवर्ड अप ला मीजल्स लोग है इनको के स्मॉल पॉक्स में का इनको मतो टेस्टिंग इधर पे लंबे इनको लेन कुमिलो कापे दे मोल क्योर ina ngol kolok ka kai upang nigla debon upang kaima smallpox is eradicated big develop sa measles and rubella him come eradicate the himmeli mang abuda come I think you have a lot of vaccination programs polio and you have this DPT है तो ये तकन प्रोग्राम करे ही तो ये प्रोग्राम से ये एक अच्छा मैसेज है आप लोग का जो आज का खेल में एक सिग्नेचर कैंपेन भी हो गया कि सब यहाँ में आपको लोगों को जागरूक करना है कि हमारा मीजल्स और रूबेला को कैसा करके हम लोग इरेडिकेट कर सकें
Airudo Omlaludu, on behalf of Libang Erang, sponsors Erang Dolok community, all star ngolung ralung side lo. Takam hilo ke pidumuina kiting me Airu Pamido. Apa group ngoluk gampura kiting Airudo noluk pubinam legape. Ngoluk gumun soine noluk pubinam de ngoluk hi tournament hi agralang kadung noluk asirwade dudung. Dulu hepa aktivitula ngolo 3 years holokai. Pedong ohe na muitinu idogom dulu aktivitula dulu akirwada kadula. Gampura akirwad kiring kadula ngolo ke pedong hilo ko obimang mosaba kom gaya ladung. Ila ngo gampura kidi lega pa abu kidi lega tali ko bojai bi. Ngolo hepa aktivilang ka ngolo gomun soine. Ngolo ke airu pemudo ngolo ke hilo ke pondobote, pondokaling, ngolo ke samun kiring. Telok PRI members kidding, telok abu kidding, bahi log ane kidding kom ngulu linka side kom diglog kom puido, upang pasi done airu pe muido nolok pubi nam lega pe kom telok participating team kidding airu pe muido nolok participate mamulo, ke tournament hi success mai nolok participate la tournament ko kada airu pe muido, telok medical team kom aine message ko bomsala. Dr. Kadum Jannom Buhavola, aine Mrs. Kubomsala Hadung, I do Bermudan look medical team and Bubinam Lagape, the local media team and computer, I do.
Hi everyone, here with me is MLA from Ruxin constituency, Shri Ninong Iring sir. So, sir, welcome to Eastern Post.
Yeah, good morning and thank you for coming here to Ngorlung for this match, inaugural match of the Ame Libang and Otung Libang late this Etor Gudu cricket tournament. Yeah.
Sir, you came here as the chief guest. You attended the program, the inauguration ceremony, and you witnessed the overall interaction. And how was your interactive session here?
See, anything which regards to games and sports is good for health. And when you say about health, my colleague and younger brother, Dr. Rimong Padong, who is from the National Health Mission, he's come, with a special agenda. How to prevent measles and rubella. So these are diseases which are, prevailing. We are trying our best to contain them and give knowledge to the people. And he took benefit of it, and it was a very good, instance of his that he's taking up this challenging task. He is going around throughout Arunachal Pradesh with the propaganda and these schemes which is implementing from the National Health Mission. So when you say about sports or you speak about games, your health has to be perfect. So we are now trying in all the games and sports. We are trying that the drug abuse or the regarding these campaigns, medical campaigns, we are using them. I think this is a very good initiative taken by Mr. Opang Jamo, who is the sponsor. He is the range officer here, and I think that in future also they will be using these programs. Thank you.
Yes, sir. And just a minute ago, we saw you and sir playing cricket. And how was it? Was it fun?
Yeah, it's very much fun because in the old days we used to play, but now, of course, young men of 70 can't do that anymore.
You're playing really well, like bowling really well.
I jack of all trades, master of none. Thank you.
Lastly, what do you have to say to the players? We have 9 teams here.
There are 9 teams. We are getting all the villagers involved. I think it's a good, it will be a good precedence in future also they'll be playing. So they will be always, even though I told them that you all are, you have crossed that young age, but still they're saying, no, we are still young. And playing these games, they keep themselves fit. So it's a good thing.
I belong to this village, and that the organizing team requested me to come as a guest of honor. So I took this advantage because I am the state immunization officer. So I took advantage of my program that is ongoing from yesterday. This is a IEC campaign and awareness generation campaign that will be propagating to all the villagers so that they bring their children and get all the due measles rubella vaccine. So with that mind I came, and today I talked during the meeting also, and also we had a signature campaign so that people get involved personally for the elimination of measles and rubella. And regarding the teams and others, I find the young people, they're really inspired up and maybe motivated, highly motivated, and hopefully the younger to this group, they will be more motivated seeing the elder ones doing all this. So that is what I have seen today.
So good morning, sir, and welcome to Eastern Post.
Good morning.
So could you tell us about the event? आज का जो inauguration program था, for the first time being held.
ये जो एतौरगिरी टूर्नामेंट है, ये एतौरगिरी टूर्नामेंट 3rd एडिशन एतौरगिरी टूर्नामेंट है इस ngolung ralung का, और इस बार जो है हम लोग का लेट अमेल लिबांग एंड लेट ओतुंग लिबांग के नाम में इस साल का जो एतौरगिरी क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट है वो ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है। और हमारे साथ हमारे स्पॉन्सर श्री ओपांग जामो RFO रुक्सिन जो है इस एक टूर्नामेंट को स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं। वो अपने ये के नाम में सासुमा के नाम में, दोनों सासुमा के नाम में उसने स्पॉन्सर किया है। तो हम लोग का जो ऑर्गेनाइजर है वो हम लोग ऑल स्टार ngolung ralung है, एक सीरूम है इस बस्ती के ngolung और लारुंग के सीरूम बस्ती के एक सीरूम है जो एक दोस्त ग्रुप है जो लास्ट 3 इयर्स से ये जो क्रिकेटिंग इवेंट्स है उसको ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं।
और ये प्रोग्राम का ओवरऑल टूर्नामेंट का ड्यूरेशन कितना तक रहेगा? एंड आज आप क्या करने जा रहे हो?
ये ड्यूरेशन तो हम लोग जो है 12 तारीख को रखे हैं, 12 तारीख के 12 मई को फाइनल रखे हैं हम लोग ने। और आज का दिन में इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है, सक्सेसफुल इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है। हम लोग को ऑनरेबल MLA निनोंग इरिंग हमारे चीफ गेस्ट आए हैं, और डॉक्टर दिमोंग पालुंग स्टेट नोडल ऑफिसर NHM हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर के रूप में आए। और आज उसके साथ साथ ही हम लोग का ओपनिंग मैच भी है जो मुइतेत सीरूम और प्रिंस ऑफ 90s के बीच में खेला जा रहा है, वही है।
Would you like to add anything else?
कुछ ऐड करना चाहूँगा, वही है कि ये जो टूर्नामेंट है हमारे ngollung और रालुंग के ब्रदरहुड के लिए है, यूनिटी के लिए है। इसी मैच में, इसी टूर्नामेंट में हम लोग जो है एक साथ आते हैं, जो एक साथ टीम बनाते हैं, मिक्सअप करते हैं, टीम बनाते हैं और साथ में खेलते हैं। और ऊपर से जो है हम लोग का जो अतुर्गुदी जो आने वाला है, तो उसके नाम में हम लोग ये सब खिलाते हैं। तो इससे क्या होता है कि फेस्टिव माहौल रहता है बस्ती में और भाईचारा भी रहता है ऐसा स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट में।
The ceremony concluded with the tournament's opening match by the team Mitat Serum, and the guest of honor and the chief guest had a playful interaction with the players on the ground. And this was the first ever inaugural ceremony in the memory of late Amal Lubang and late Otung Lubang, and third edition Atorgudu Cricket Tournament 2025. Alongside the inaugural ceremony, measles and rubella campaign, awareness campaign was also held here on the Ngorlung village playground. The doctors were here to volunteer the overall awareness camp, and this was it, viewers. So it was reporter Anjali Payang with my cameraman Krishna Prasad.